So getting started with the Cinemagraph where something's on the screen, off the screen, and then back on is pretty simple and straightforward. You're just going to start out and open your clip like normal. So File, Open, and then find where you have your video saved. And then hit Open. And starting out, you're going to want to trim the front of the video and the back of the video. So I'm going to play this until I see where my object rolls onto the screen and off. So for the start of the video, I'm going to slide this over and find right where those objects start to roll onto the screen. So right about here. So I'm going to pause it there, and I'm going to, instead of using this crop at the top, I'm going to use the crop for the main timeline at the bottom, and I'm going to just trim that. And then I'm going to find where those markers roll off the screen. And I'm going to trim all the way from the right side to that point where my marker is lined up at. And then as I hit play here, it's going to just show the constant loop with the markers rolling. Remember to mute the audio for your video. So if you click with two fingers on your timeline here, go to audio and then hit mute. It will turn off the volume for your video. That way you don't have any of that sound going on in the background. But again, that's the on-off screen, so fairly simple. If you have any issues with shadow that's moving around in your image, let me know and we can look at how to fix that.